welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is day 3 of being in Hawaii. It's currently 8:36 in the morning. We plan to go eat breakfast now. Also, it is very beautiful outside as usual. Look at the view. Okay, so we're going to the breakfast place. It's called Kiki Cafe. We don't know what we're gonna get there, so yeah. Okay, so today I'm wearing this shirt from Target. Then this is from Forever 21, I think. And these shorts are from Sierra. And then this is from Shein. And I got this bracelet at my school last year. Someone made it and then gave it to me, so. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing.
No.
Good. This is a blueberry pancake. It's huge. I'm not eating all this. It's a blueberry pancake. That's so good.
A few moments later.
I literally ate nothing, but I'm full. Like I literally didn't even eat half of it, but I'm full. I don't know, I'm always full. I'm always hungry and then I eat and I'm full for some reason. It's so weird. We're going to a store right now, a grocery store, to get like fruits and stuff for breakfast. The grocery store is called Island Grocery.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing this game. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't.
We got the groceries.
Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I won't. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
I'm going in the pool. It's freezing cold. I already went in. It's so cold. Like you can't stay in it. It's so cold. Okay, I don't want to vlog right now, but it's so cold and it's freezing cold. That is cold. It was cold in the pool, so we came here, and we're at the beach now. Okay guys, so it's been, I would say, 30 minutes since I took a shower. I'm just eating yesterday's leftovers. It's kind of hard to find restaurants right here because a lot of them have reservations. You have to book them before. That's why we get like leftovers everywhere. Yeah, I'm just eating it. We're just gonna relax for a bit. Playing in the ocean was tiring, so I'm just gonna eat my mac and cheese. I also ate chicken tenders and like some nachos, so yeah. And if you guys are wondering if the mac and cheese is cold, this is the solution. There is a water heater right here in this like draw thingamabob. And then we just took it, put some water in it, and then it got heated. We put it in the to-go box. And then we put this cup, we put the mac and cheese in the cup that was in the to-go box. We heated the mac and cheese and now it's pretty hot after we put it in here because there's no microwave in this room. Yeah, I'm gonna eat my mac and cheese.
are going to see the sunset and the beach.
Yep.
We are heading out there now.
Shaved ice. That's so good. Shaved ice is famous in Hawaii, so I was gonna try it. I took mango and strawberry. It tastes so good. This is lavender lemonade.